Oh, the knee pains. Knee pain is quite common mainly because they carry most of the body's weight on two very delicate joints. Joints that hold cartilage, nerve connections, bone, and fluid, all of which can become inflamed, causing pain you cannot fix. So, in this video, I will talk about how to completely reverse knee pain and guarantee you a life with movement, energy, and youth. Greetings to everyone from Dr. Agustín Landívar, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. On this channel, as a conventional doctor, I treat my patients using natural medicine, homeopathy, and acupuncture before resorting to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and press the bell down below to receive notifications and be the first to see the new video. If you need an online consultation or quality supplements for your illness, visit drlandivar.com and stay until the end of the video where there will be tips and videos related to this topic. Knee pain is quite common, especially because they carry the most weight in the entire body. If they get a little inflamed, obviously any stress from weight, movement, or a scrape will be very painful, especially if we do not know how to soothe it. Now, curiously, in our time, we see much more joint pain than was seen in the past. We are suffering from an absurd amount of genetically modified foods with inflammatory chemicals and substances that clearly harm our bodies entirely, including our knees. The good thing is that knowing how to reverse this problem can not only restore joint movement but also take away your body's pain, improve energy throughout the entire organism, and ensure that every cell in your body can truly react. So, in the actual video, how can you completely eliminate knee pain and regain your movement, energy, and body health? Number 1. Remove inflammation from your body. Joint pain occurs mainly because there is inflammation that is constantly damaging your body. It turns out that much of the inflammation we accumulate settles or builds up, in other words, in places where it can accumulate more easily. The joints, the stomach, because it inflates, it swells, and a lot of it has to do with our diet or the substances we are consuming daily. It turns out that the people who suffer most from inflammation are those whose adrenal glands are not functioning correctly. This causes inflammation to skyrocket. Furthermore, adding all kinds of foods that, above all, only cause health problems. So the first thing you must do to reduce knee pain is to decrease inflammation. How do you do it? You avoid consuming the foods that are causing you the problem. So what are they? Wheat, broccoli, cabbage, inflammatory foods that come packaged, canned, bottled, foods that block the thyroid, that have chemicals, pesticides, and all kinds of foods that are not actually natural. When you go to the supermarket, like Post said, buy real food, true food, food grown in the earth without pesticides, without preservatives. That does not come packaged, that does not come processed. That is not genetically modified cereal added with soy, corn, sunflower, or hydrogenated oils. All of that causes inflammation in the body, it builds up in the joints, and obviously the problem appears. If you need a quality supplement that can help reduce inflammation in your body, obviously accompanied by a change in your diet, look for Corku Health and Neuromatrix by Fairland at drlandivar.com. Number 2, activate your thyroid. Believe it or not, the thyroid has a lot to do with knee pain and joint pain, no? Everything the knee has to process, manufacture, correct, and fix comes with the help of the thyroid. The thyroid is a small gland that produces two very important hormones, T3 and T4, two hormones that activate the metabolism so that all the cells in your body do and fulfill their job. Knees can be restored, energy can be increased, your body can feel good, your hair can grow, you do not get fat, you do not gain weight, your skin can feel hydrated, and all the tissues, all the cells, everything you have in your body can react. Many people get treatments for their knees, but they completely forget about the thyroid. How is it possible to improve if the cells in the knee are not active? They are practically asleep. They need the help of the thyroid. Do you need thyroid hormones for that knee to be corrected? If you need a quality supplement for this purpose, look for the Apolyser and Metathyr on drlandivar.com. Number 3, you need chondroitin sulfate and glucosamine. It might seem complicated and difficult to obtain, but it is not. Chondroitin and glucosamine can be found in chicken feet, which also contain collagen. Boiled chicken feet as soup, or if you prefer, purchased as a supplement, help replenish knee cartilage. The knee, for those who do not know, has cartilage that can protect the two bones that are rubbing against each other so that there can be a joint. The cartilage wears down over the years like any other part of the body. It needs ingredients to rebuild itself, and you need to take them so your body can use them. What I suggest you do if you have knee pain, regardless of the cause, and if you can, even without having knee pain, you can consume it, is to consume collagen, chondroitin sulfate, and glucosamine. Those 3 ingredients will be in charge of replenishing the cartilage, not only in the knee, but also in the hands, feet, back, and any joint that needs regeneration. If you need quality supplements for this purpose, which ay sinoon na iran, which are truly spectacular for what I am talking about, look for Extra Flex, Collagen, and Bright Caps from Fairland at drlandivar.com. Number 4, you need turmeric to reduce all types of inflammation. Besides eliminating all foods that might help reduce inflammation, one often needs a supplement that can revive, if you will, those adrenal glands we have that are responsible for removing internal inflammation. See, the adrenal glands are very important because they produce glucocorticoids, cortisol, and mineralocorticoids, all ingredients that relieve pain, reduce inflammation in the body, help you eliminate fluid retention, and correct knee pain. That is why turmeric is so famous and so good nowadays. Many people take it without even knowing what it is for. Many doctors prescribe it without knowing what it does. Curiously, turmeric in its essential function ensures that the adrenal glands are corrected, revived, reduce inflammation in the body, and ensure that any joint problem, arthritis, or pain can be reversed. If you need quality supplements with the best turmeric extract, 50:1, with 95% curcumin extract and biopren and other ingredients to enhance its absorption effect, look for Kirku Health from Thailand at drlandivar.com. Number 5, eliminate fluid retention. Besides inflammation, it may also happen that there is fluid retention in the knees, feet, or hands due to a kidney or lung problem, perhaps even heart-related. And curiously, what we often need is to help our kidneys react, our feet to revive, and ensure that the fluid buildup can be eliminated. If you need a quality supplement for this purpose, look for Uressence and Dberry from Finland at drlandivar.com. And do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family so they are informed about the topic. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and I will gladly answer it. If you need quality supplements for your condition or an online consultation, visit drlandivar.com. And right here in the videos related to the topic, you will find valuable information that can help prevent serious illness in the future. Thanks for watching and see you soon.